Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and that's the Triumph Thruxton 400. And if you are coming to my channel for the first time or you are watching this particular video, the highway review video for the first time, let me tell you, this is sort of one of my trademarked videos wherein I primarily tell you two things. Okay, the RPM at cruising speeds in top gear, for example 100 kilometers per hour in top gear, what RPM it does, and of course the vibrations. Now, although you would not buy this for cruising, however, since the final drive has changed, I wanted to tell you if at all there is a change in vibrations as compared to the Speed 400. And the instrument cluster, okay, the RPM meter, the tachometer, essentially that's as useless as ever, so I might not be able to tell you exactly the RPM it does. Perhaps I can you can zoom in, or I can put text by zooming in. So yeah, let's ride. Try to take it up to 100 quickly. I'll try to make this short. See, let me get past this traffic. So 100. And mind you, this is a brand new motorcycle, okay, so whatever vibrations would be there, okay, I'm certain I can stick my neck out and tell you that they would come down a bit. However, the good news is that at 100 there are hardly any vibrations. Okay, you can feel a faint buzz in the pegs, and that too I have to concentrate. So that faint buzz would not be termed as vibrations at 100. At 120 now it can be termed as vibrations, but it's not bad at all. The intensity is not bad and you can maintain 120 all day. See, I'll tell you what, I did a top speed run as well, okay, on the Speedo. It crossed 170 slightly. The GPS speed would be 161. That's what Triumph is claiming, okay, and even at that point, alright, I was not bothered by the vibrations. But I'll still try to see, I already showed 120, and on this road it would not be prudent to go any faster. See, the vibrations definitely increase at 130, 140, alright, so they are definitely there. However, so if you're cruising at 100, okay, you get a clear patch, you would be able to maintain 130, 140 for a few minutes, and then you'll come down. That's how we cruise or we tour on the best roads in India, okay. So I can tell you that the handlebar has almost zero vibrations at all speeds. The seat does, you know, show some signs of a buzz, but nothing that would make your butt numb. All right. So yeah, the long and short of it is, if you want to tour on this motorcycle, you can do that. The vibrations would not bother you, unless of course you are a sissy. Then you should be staying away from motorcycles. Get an electric scooter or something. So yeah guys, that was my quick highway review, and I would request you to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Do hit that like button, do leave a comment, even if you do not have a question, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.